the former
them are there.
yeah, because my
Okay.
dad. You don't put this video on YouTube. Ah. If someone see me, gila.
It's okay. And how is the weather there over the year? Like
Now
for
very
us,
hot.
we have like 4 seasons.
We have three, I think. Rainy, summer, and winter. Three of the one, very very. What?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you will meet so many girls, so beautiful girls here. So you might be thinking why so many girls today, right? So this is the red angel going home after how many years or months?
1 year, 2 months.
Oh, 1 year, 2 months. So you must be very excited, right? You whole
Yes.
Kerala.
Of course.
So what else you want to tell? Oh, you might be thinking why I'm not speaking Hindi, right?
Yeah.
Because these people only except this one. She understand Hindi. She can speak also. This one and this one, they doesn't understand. So that's why making in.
We can understand, but we don't know how to talk again. We need to replay now.
Oh, you understand?
yeah,
now?
I can understand. We can understand, but we don't know how to talk Hindi.
Oh, they just don't know how to talk. Other than that, they
No.
they knows. Okay, so if I am gossiping about them, I should be very careful. They might understand. So, so we
Yeah,
are
already.
heading to the Changi airport. We are going to drop off her. So after that, and what's the time now? It's 12:40 at night, guys. So don't know what time we will come back. So we'll show you.
अभी ना हमने कैब बुक की है क्योंकि रात के 1 बज गए हैं, तो 12 बजे के बाद जो है बसेस और एमआरटी बंद हो जाती है। सो आपको अगर घर घर क्या कहीं भी जाना हो 12 बजे के बाद, सो आपको कैब में ही जाना है। प्लस कैब में जाने का यार अभी देखो 54 पॉइंट समथिंग डॉलर लगे हैं। सो आप खुद ही देख लो, 1 घंटे के रास्ते के लिए 4000। तो हमारी कैब आ चुकी है, चलो। देखो यहाँ पे ना रात के 2 बजे, तो ग्रीन सिग्नल होने का वेट कर रहे हैं। गाड़ियाँ कोई भी नहीं जा रही है अभी, बट फिर भी लोग इतने ईमानदार हैं कि अपना वेट कर रहे हैं ग्रीन सिग्नल होने का। देखो अभी ये दूसरी गाड़ी आएगी, अभी ग्रीन हो गया तो अभी ये चलेंगे इतनी रात में भी।
ஸ்கூட் குட்டி குட்டியா இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குது கவி.
சிங்கப்பூர்ல இருக்குது
அது அதுக்கு மேல குட்டியா இருக்குது.
உள்ள அவ்வளோ சீட் இருக்குங்க.
ஆமால
நான் போனதே கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு
1000 சொல்லி 1000.
We have arrived already at the Changi airport. So you feel scary.
No, I
Oh,
feel maybe nervous.
on the way, she keep telling me she feels scary. Why you feel scary? देखो व्यू मेरे पीछे, चंगी एयरपोर्ट का रात को 2 बजे। कितना पीसफुल है यार, बहुत ही पीसफुल है यहाँ पे, पता, बहुत ही पीसफुल, बहुत ही नीट एंड क्लीन। प्लस चेक इन करने के लिए आपको ये सारी मशीन्स दिख रही है ना, ये सब मशीन से आप चेक इन कर सकते हो। यू नो नीड टू गो टू द काउंटर। पास आके कुछ इस तरह का दिखता है ये से, बट यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स इतनी अच्छी नहीं आती क्योंकि इसकी खुद की लाइट इतनी ज़्यादा है ना। सो यू कैन जस्ट सिट हेयर एंड यू कैन जस्ट इंजॉय द व्यू। देखो कितना पीसफुल है नाइट में, बहुत ही पीसफुल है। डे में भी पीसफुल, डे में तो नहीं होता है क्योंकि डे में बहुत सारे लोग आने जाने वाले रहते हैं। नाइट में भी काफ़ी है, बट स्टिल कंपैरिजन टू अनदर एयरपोर्ट्स it's very quite peaceful, and you can see how neat and clean, how artistic, how beautifully. It's just one terminal. It's terminal 2 we are here. One day I will make full blog on Changi Airport. So, hey, you haven't introduced to yourself to my viewer la. You must have. You look there.
Hi. Okay, I'm Vivian. So now I go
Don't
into
move your
India. See this Javitri actually very funny. See, she fun with me.
Okay, like. So this is the girl. She actually the boarding pass we get already, and the luggage also check in already. So we are just sitting here. I thought I introduce her to you guys in brief.
15 marks. Okay.
So
Yeah.
I mean, would you like to tell from which part of India you are?
Yeah, I'm Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry.
Oh.
Tamil Nadu,
So what
Pondicherry
do
is
you do there to live in Pondicherry?
different.
Not you lah. I mean your family, people around in your neighboring.
Hmm?
What they do?
They do what they do.
Just normal lah. What their I mean everyday routine for us, like my parents, they used to be farmer lah. So they used to do farming like.
No,
So for you, businessman.
like that. Or some
What
company, they
business?
going, some company manager like that.
Oh.
I think not much the former.
Them are there.
Yeah, because my
Okay.
dad. You don't put this video on YouTube. If someone see me, gila.
It's okay. And how is the weather there over the year? Like
Now
for
very
us, we have like 4 seasons.
We have three, I think. Rainy, summer, and winter. Three of the one, very very what worst. If rain also, if rain also
Mm-hmm.
very worsening, and
Mhm.
then winter also very cold, then
Mhm.
summer also very hot.
Oh,
Very very
you
hot.
see?
You burn lah, like you become a chocolate color like that. I'm a dark chocolate color like that. Right?
She
Yeah.
is so funny. She is really very funny. I think I should open one comedy show so we can joke there.
Yeah lah. You can joke with
What
everyone.
else? Like across the India, I mean from people from another states, if they want to visit Pondicherry, so which place would you like to recommend them to visit?
The one Auroville is very nice. Then the
Okay.
place is very cold also.
Oh,
So many French
how
people
come?
live there.
I mean, how come just now you told it's like very hot? You will become
No
chocolate.
lah, the place.
So there is one place called.
No. See, if we are live in city, right? So that place, what, so many trees, like greenish like that. So
Mhm.
it a bit cold lah,
Okay.
a bit okay
Oh.
from other side, other places.
Okay, I understand now.
Yeah. So many friends.
So now we are just near to her departure area. She said she is feeling hungry.
Yeah, very hungry.
What do you want to eat?
I think burger. We
Mhm.
go McD.
Okay. So what do you eat in the breakfast there in Pondicherry?
Breakfast, idli, dosa. Many lah. Pongal, puri.
Oh, different.
Different. Sometimes I eat bread,
Mm-hmm.
fruit juice also. Our side,
Okay.
we
You
eat like
drink the tea?
that. Drink also.
Masala
Tea
tea,
also.
ginger tea? What tea you
I
drink?
don't like the masala tea, ginger tea. I like only plain tea.
Oh, okay. See, guys, the view behind us. It's so
See, you show Bali also.
nice. Anyway, ayu.
हाँ what?
Yeah, me also want.
So हम बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, देखो। हेलो मैडम, आप क्यों बैठे हैं यहाँ पे?
मेरा फ्रेंड को भेजने के लिए।
कौन है तेरा फ्रेंड?
यही है।
ओह ये
इसका फ्रेंड है तो इसको भेजने जा रहे हैं।
ओके। हेलो, एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, व्हाई यू आर सिटिंग हियर?
I can come to send off my one of my friend.
Oh, you people have common friend.
Yeah, she's
Okay.
my like my
Why you
soul.
are busy all the time in phone? Are you in finance
No,
business?
la, I just see the reels only. See.
Oh,
Always
she's
using the
Reels queen.
yeah.
Okay. What else you want to tell? Oh, I haven't asked you from where you are. I know you are from India. I mean,
Then
from
why
which?
you asking, ma?
Oh, hello, madam.
Yes, madam.
From, I mean, from which part of India you are?
Tamil Nadu in Chennai.
Oh, you are from Chennai, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There are Tamil Nadu is a state, right? Chennai is one city. Oh, okay. So, what you eat early in the morning when you wake up?
I didn't just drink hot water.
No,
Morning
no,
na.
I'm not just asking about you, la. I mean, in your house, what do
News.
you eat in the breakfast?
Breakfast. First I wake up now I drink
Hmm.
boost. After that I eat my breakfast.
Oh,
If I wake up 12 o'clock also I drink my milk first. Horlicks, boost, coffee like that.
okay. How about your parents? What they eat?
Idli, dosa. Morning every time breakfast idli, dosa, upma, like that only.
Okay. Anything like if people want to visit Tamil Nadu, so which place you would
Every
like to
place nice ma.
recommend? Really, yeah.
Yeah, every
All
place
place
like
beautiful.
yeah, so many places
What
have.
is special there? What makes
You know,
it
every
beautiful?
district have separate something special like that.
Like,
Like you know, Tanjai Periya Kovil,
is it
Tanjavur. That one.
mountain or
No,
it's beach?
that one is the temple, most famous temple,
Oh,
Tanjavur.
so you are Hindu.
Yeah, I am Hindu ma.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Move on to another girl.
Hi. Can you please hold the mic?
This girl, guys, this girl is very shy. This girl is very shy. Hello, Madam Nandini. She's also, I think earlier I told already, right? She's also from Chennai. So, Nandini, if people, what? No, what's your hobby?
Hobby.
Hmm, what do you like to do?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Just I do whatever.
If I want to learn Tamil, you will teach me?
Maybe.
Okay. So, what's the reason behind this beauty?
Beauty.
Yes, you are so beautiful. Huh?
Nothing lah.
You see how much you are glowing.
Because of the light.
No, la, no. Without light, also you are beautiful. I saw
you,
you
thank
every
you.
day, right? What you want to say to my viewer?
Sleep well.
Huh?
Sleep well.
Sleep.